Tables in MS Word 2010. Tables in MS Word 2010. You must have often seen your timetable or date sheet. A timetable, date sheet, calendar, etc. are written as tables. A table is a way of putting down information in rows and columns. Uses of the tables. Tables have many advantages over typing text in simple words and sentences. A table displays information in a proper manner, makes information easy to understand, can easily accommodate huge database in rows and columns, is ideal for comparing data between two things, is ideal for making lists. Components of a table. Two main parts of a table are rows, columns. Rows and columns meet to make small rectangular boxes called cells. You type your information within the cells. The sequence of cells that run out from left to right are called a row, and the sequence of cells that run from top to bottom is called a column. Table option can be found in the Table group of Insert tab. Creating tables. Creating a table in MS Word is an extremely simple task. You can create a table by either drawing or inserting a table. When you click on Table button in Insert tab, a menu opens. It gives mainly three different options to create a table. They are inserting a table using the grid, inserting a table using Insert Table option, inserting a table using Draw Table option, inserting a table using the grid. The small boxes that you see when you click on Table button is known as the grid. Now, you will learn to insert a table using the grid. Steps to insert a table using the grid. Step 1. Bring the cursor where you want to insert table. Click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. Step 2. Click on the Table button of Tables group. Step 3. In the menu that appears, move the cursor of your mouse over the grid and see the boxes highlight. Select the number of rows and columns you want to insert. Step 4. Click with the mouse. The table will be inserted. Inserting a table using Insert Table option. Steps to insert a table using Insert Table option. Step 1. Bring the cursor where you want to insert the table. Click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Step 2. Click on the Table button of Tables group. Step 3. Click on Insert Table option. A dialog box appears. Step 4. Select the number of columns and rows to be inserted in the table. Step 5. Select OK. Inserting a table using Draw Table option. Steps to insert a table using Draw Table option. Step 1. Bring the cursor where you want to insert table. Click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. Step 2. Click on the Table button of the Tables group. Step 3. Click on Draw Table option. The cursor changes into a pencil. Step 4. Draw the table by dragging the mouse while holding down the mouse button. Step 5. Draw rows and columns. How to enter data in tables. You can also enter information or data in the tables. For example, there are 8 members in a joint family. Create a table mentioning age of each family member against their name. Also mention your relationship with each member. Notice that each value is entered in a separate cell. So, you need to learn to move from one cell to the other while typing values. Steps to enter data in tables. Step 1. click inside a cell where you want to type and start typing your data. Step 2. Move the cursor to other cells by using the 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Layout tab. There are 8 tabs in MS Word, including File tab. But after you insert a table in your document, you can activate another tab simply by selecting the table. This is Layout tab. It contains various options to modify the table, adding rows and columns. You can add a new row above or below a row, or a new column to the left or right of a column. Step 1. Click inside the cell next to which you have to add a row or column. Step 2. Click on Layout tab. Look for Rows and Columns group. Step 3. Click on Insert Above or Insert Below option. A new row is inserted above or below the selected row. Step 4. Similarly, to add a new column, click on Insert Left or Insert Right option. A new column is inserted to the left or right of a column, deleting a row and column from a table. If you make changes to a table and wish to delete an extra row or column, you can do it by using Layout tab. Step 1. Click inside the row or column that has to be deleted. Step 2. Click on Layout tab. Look for Rows and Columns group. Step 3. Click on Delete option. A drop-down menu appears. Step 4. Select the suitable option. Observe that there are options to delete a single cell or even the complete table. Convert text into table. In MS Word, there are 2 ways to convert text into table, which are given here. Convert text to table, Quick Tables. Convert text to table. It is a simpler method as it does not require you to go from cell to cell to enter data. You can first type information and then convert it into a table with the click of a button. Steps to convert text into tabular form by using Convert Text to Table option. Step 1. Type the data to be filled in a table. Step 2. Use commas or tabs between values to be entered in separate columns. Step 3. Press Enter after each line to indicate values to be entered in separate rows. Step 4. Click on Insert tab. Click on Table option. Select Convert Text to Table option. Step 5. A dialog box opens. Check the number of columns and rows under the option Table Size. Step 6. Under the option Separate Text at, select paragraphs, commas, tabs, or specify any other character that has been used to separate fields. In the given example, you have used tabs. Step 7. Click OK. The text will be converted into a table. Quick Tables. There is another method of inserting tables quickly. Quick Tables option has some ready-made table styles. You can scroll down the available templates and select the style that best suits your requirement. Steps to convert text into tabular form by using Quick Tables option. Step 1. Click on Table option in Insert tab. Step 2. Select Quick Tables option. A menu with various table styles opens. Step 3. Scroll down to select the style that suits you. Click to insert. Delete the existing data and enter your data into the cells.